Hey, what's up? This is the second mow on the Husqvarna YTH24V54. This time went quite a bit quicker than the first time due to the fact that I didn't get stuck as much, so I thought that I'd give you just a few tips. As far as gas usage, I was using about 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons per acre. I chose non-ethanol gas. Just to try to keep everything clean in the small engine. For hilly lot, like the one that I'm mowing, you want to wait till it dries out, so a couple days after it's rained, and then whenever the morning dews set in, depending on your humidity, you want to wait for the sun to dry it up. So this time I really didn't get stuck at all. One tip is when you're going up the hill, you want to make sure that your throttle is all the way to the rabbit and you're actually giving it plenty of gas to get up the hill. I actually went up from the 3-level blade to the 4-level blade this time as well. That gave me some more clearance on the mowing deck so that it didn't scrape and get me stuck on the hillside. And then the other tip is a figure 8 style mowing. That way, if you do start to spin out a little bit, you can always abort and turn the other way and then just pick up another section of grass and get that mowed. So second mow on the Husqvarna YTH24V54 in the books. Everything's looking good. Took me about 45 minutes to an hour to mow this 1 acre lot. Thanks again.